like to introduce myself. My name is Agustina Ju. You can call me Agustin. Here, I will make a video about how to make Walapa, a typical Saboya regional food. Walapa is a typical food from the Saboya area. Walapa is usually served at traditional events or family gatherings. Apart from that, this food is used as a souvenir when traveling outside the Sabo area. This is a reflection of the area because it has its own uniqueness, where it can last for a month and not go stale. Okay, let's get straight to the manufacturing process. Ingredients: 1. Rice flour, 2. Brown sugar, 3. Coconut leaf, 4. Water. Processing: 1. Mix water with brown sugar until it forms liquid sugar. 2. Mix the liquid sugar and rice flour slowly until it forms a thick dough. 3. Take a little dough and wrap it in coconut leaves. 4. Then boil for about 50 minutes and dry in the sun for the 2 to 3 days. 5. After drying, Walapa is ready to be served. That's the process of processing Walapa that I can explain. That's all, and thank you.